Hi, this is Miss Patricia, the Young Adult Librarian, and for the Hour of Code, you can also try encoding an emoji. Let's give it a try. Every digital screen is made up of tiny squares called pixels, so like these squares here. These pixels can be any color, and together they make up the images you see on your device. So you can look at this image here. It's a drawing of a house zoomed way in so you can see the pixels, which are the little squares. A computer can't see images. It needs to know the color and the position of each pixel to show the picture. So one way to describe an image to a computer is to list the color of each pixel in order. So in this example, there are white and black squares, or pixels. And so to tell the computer how to recreate this image, we would tell the computer that there's a white pixel, a white pixel, a black pixel, a white pixel, and a white pixel. And we continue for each line, so the computer would know how to create this picture. Now that's a lot of words to describe just a tiny picture, so to make it easier, it sometimes helps to look at patterns. So in this example here, this line is the first line in our original house picture. And the pattern is that there are two white boxes or pixels, one black pixel, and then two more. So instead of saying white, white, black, white, white, you could say two white, one black, and two white. And because we're only working with two colors, black and white, you could just tell the computer that each time the number changes, the color is going to change. And in this instance, we're always going to start with a white pixel. So you could write code like this. So starting with 2, that tells the computer that there are 2 white pixels. When it changes the number, you know that it's going to be a different color. So in this case, it's black. And there'll be one black pixel. And then the next number is 2, and that's 2 white pixels. So 2, 1, 2. And you would just continue for each line. So this one, the next line, is 1, 3, 1. And in this line, which is really interesting, the first number is 0 because there are no white pixels. But there are 5 black pixels. And that's how the computer knows how to create the image. So now let's try a practice one together. So there are practice blocks that you can fill in to see if you can read the code the way a computer would. So we're going to try the second one. And the first ones are just filled out just for practice. So we know, again, 2, and then 4 in the second color, and then 2 in the next one. So 2, 4, 2. And the same here. 1, 1. So 1 of each color, 4 of the first color, 1 of the second color, and 1 of the first color. So 1, 1, 4, 1, 1. Now let's try this line. So 0, that means that there's no white pixels in the beginning, and we're going to have 1 black pixel. So we'll fill in 1 black pixel. And then the next number is 1, so that'll be 1 white pixel, so we'll leave that blank. And then the next number is 1, so another black pixel. And I'm using a pencil because sometimes I make mistakes, so it's always good to have the option to erase, just in case. So we have 0, 1, 1, 1, so 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, so that'll be 2 white pixels, 1, which will be 1 black pixel, 1 and 1, so 1 white pixel and 1 black pixel. So remember, every time there's a number, you know that it's changing. So if you had a white pixel, then you know that the next number will be a black pixel. And in this case, we started with no white pixels. We started with 1 black pixel, so we know the next number is going to be a white pixel. So again, so it's 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So you can fill out the rest of this square of the whole grid and see what the final picture looks like. So there are more practice grids that you can fill out, reading the code to create the different pictures, And then once you're done with that, you can design your own emoji and then write the code for it. So that way a friend or a computer could recreate the picture that you create. So you can try by filling out the different grid first, and then you can start writing the code. So give it a try. If you'd like to share the emoji that you create and the code that you wrote for it, please take a picture and send it to us via email or through Facebook.